Has it ever crossed your mind that the eggs you trusted for muscle strength might actually be limiting your ability to stay strong after 60°C? Imagine opening your fridge, thinking you've got your protein needs covered, only to discover that what lies in your pantry could do far more to restore your energy, keep you independent, and reverse muscle loss before it's too late. You wake up feeling a little weaker each morning, struggling to lift yourself out of that familiar armchair. The stairs look steeper, walks leave you winded. You chalk it up to aging, but deep down, you wish there was a way to hold on to the strength and confidence you once had. If this sounds even a bit like you, you're not alone. Research from Harvard suggests that adults over 60 lose up to 8% of muscle mass each decade, leading to falls, fatigue, and a loss of independence. But what if I told you that powerful, natural foods with even more protein than eggs are hiding in plain sight at your local store? What if the very foods you overlook could actually help you turn back the clock? Why haven't your doctors or nutritionists told you about these options before? And could switching just one item in your routine really improve muscle mass, energy, and independence? One study from the NIH observed that simply adding the right forms of protein to a senior's daily meals can lower fall risk, sharpen memory, and dramatically boost strength within months. Think of Eleanor, 71, who felt so weak she stopped gardening, but after a simple shift in her diet, was back tending her roses after just a few months. I know you're wondering which foods actually work, which ones are overhyped, and which are safe for you. Let's unravel the truth together so you can make your next decade the strongest yet. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Let me start by saying, you're not alone if you believed eggs were the gold standard for muscle-building protein. The egg industry spent millions on advertisements to make us believe they're the single best protein out there. But research suggests there are foods with more protein, better digestion, and even added health benefits for those of us over 60. Have you noticed your muscles feel weaker? Even though you try to eat healthy, you're eating eggs, taking supplements, but wondering, why am I still losing strength year by year? I've had countless conversations with seniors experiencing that same frustration. That's why today, I'm sharing the 9 most surprising, science-backed foods that can not only match, but surpass eggs for protein, helping to reverse muscle loss naturally. Let's count them down, from number 9 to number 1. The last one could already be in your kitchen. Greek yogurt is where our journey begins. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is strained to concentrate the protein, and at 10 grams per 100 grams, it's nearly double the protein of traditional yogurt. What really makes it powerful for older adults, though, is its combination of complete amino acids and probiotics that help your gut absorb more protein, the very process that slows down as we age. In one study published by the Journal of Nutrition in 2023, adults over 60 who ate Greek yogurt daily increased muscle protein synthesis by 23% over 6 months. Imagine that just changing the kind of yogurt you buy could mean carrying heavier groceries, lifting grandchildren, or getting up from low chairs without help. I remember Patricia, a retired teacher, who was skeptical but gave Greek yogurt a try twice a day. 8 weeks later, she felt strong enough to join a beginner exercise class, gaining real grip strength and confidence. Greek yogurt also packs leucine, an amino acid that older bodies need more of to switch on muscle repair. The best time to eat it: try a cup after your walks or before bed. Its slow-digesting protein can repair muscle overnight so you wake up less sore. Choose the full-fat, plain version for extra vitamin D absorption. Stir in some berries or use it as a dip. How simple is that? Ready to double your protein. Let's look at an even bigger powerhouse. Enter hemp seeds. Just 3 tablespoons of these nutty little seeds give you more protein than 2 eggs, with 31 grams per 100 grams. Hemp seeds also bring a complete range of amino acids, rare for any plant food, and a healthy dose of arginine, which boosts blood flow to your muscles for faster recovery. The European Journal of Clinical Nutrition published a study in 2024 showing that seniors who added hemp seeds to their diet for 12 weeks gained lean muscle, and recovered more quickly after exercising. There's even evidence that its healthy fats ease post-workout inflammation. James, a former construction worker, was skeptical when he replaced his supplements with hemp. 6 weeks in, he was playing with his grandkids again, without constant soreness. Sprinkle hemp seeds on oatmeal, salads, or blend into smoothies. Start with a spoonful, build up to 3, and store them cold to keep the nutrients fresh. They're also a great source of magnesium and zinc for muscle contraction and easier sleep, a bonus for many older adults. Micro hook here. Could the seeds you toss on breakfast be the missing link to stronger, pain-free muscles in your 70s? Let's move to a food as old as civilization itself, lentils. Easy to find, affordable, and with 25 grams of protein per 100 grams, lentils give you more protein than most meats, plus a unique resistant starch that fuels your good gut bacteria. You might ask, can something so simple really help keep muscles intact as we age? Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition tracked seniors switching from meat to lentils for part of their weekly protein. After 4 months, their muscle mass held steady, and their insulin sensitivity improved, a crucial factor in maintaining strength. Margaret, a retiree diagnosed with sarcopenia, started with small lentil soups, and within weeks, she had the strength to open jars and return to gardening. Red lentils are ideal because they cook quickly and are gentler on digestion. Try adding a cup to soup, blending into veggie patties, or tossing into salads. The steady release of amino acids helps reduce late afternoon sluggishness, keeping your stamina up throughout the day. How often do we overlook these basic foods and reach for expensive supplements instead? Cottage cheese is next, and its power is all in timing. With 11 grams of protein per 100 grams, cottage cheese is 80% casein, the slowest digesting protein you can get. Eat it 30 minutes before bed, and research shows your muscles will get a steady stream of protein all night, right when breakdown rates are highest. A recent Gerontology journal study found that seniors eating cottage cheese before bed had reduced nighttime muscle loss and gained more lean muscle than those eating other types of protein in the evening. I worked with Robert, a retired accountant who was losing muscle and independence at a frightening pace. By adding cottage cheese and easy resistance band exercises to his bedtime routine, he was back playing tennis and sleeping more deeply than before. Pair cottage cheese with pineapple or berries for an added boost of digestive enzymes. Full-fat versions, slow digestion for even steadier delivery. And for those worried about aging muscles, cottage cheese offers selenium, protecting muscle cells from stress and supporting recovery overnight. So, what food comes next that's even denser in protein? Pumpkin seeds deliver a powerful punch. With 30 grams of protein per 100 grams, these small seeds are loaded with minerals essential for older bodies. The real hero is magnesium, a nutrient. 70% of adults over 60 are deficient, and that's essential for muscle contraction and repair. A study in the International Journal of Sports Nutrition had seniors eat pumpkin seeds daily, leading to significant improvement in muscle strength and fewer cramps, especially at night. Susan, who taught yoga, found her leg cramps vanished and her endurance soared after switching from pills to seeds. Try roasting pumpkin seeds at a low temperature, or eating them raw for maximum benefits. Sprinkle them on soup, salads, or blend into seed butter for iron absorption. Pair with vitamin C-rich foods. They're also packed with iron and zinc for oxygen delivery and muscle growth, key to keeping stamina up for everyday activities. Let's switch to a food most people think of as a secret ingredient for vegans: nutritional yeast. With 45 grams of complete protein per 100 grams, this cheesy flavored flake is bursting with B vitamins, especially B12. This is critical as absorption of B12 sharply declines with age, often causing muscle weakness and nerve issues. A study in the Journal of Applied Nutrition found seniors adding nutritional yeast to their diets saw big gains in muscle strength and energy, thanks to rapidly corrected B12 levels. George, plagued by neuropathy and weak grip, swapped supplements for nutritional yeast and saw steady improvement, regaining confidence to walk independently. Nutritional yeast is easy to use. Sprinkle on popcorn. Mix into sauces or blend into shakes. Choose a brand fortified with B12. Store in a cool place. And start small to see how your body responds. It even contains glutathione, an antioxidant that protects muscles from everyday wear. Now here comes a food whose protein content leaves even eggs far behind: spirulina. At 57 grams of protein per 100 grams, this blue-green algae stands as the highest in nature. But even more important for older adults is its digestibility. Over 95% compared to 70% for most animal proteins. Spirulina's high leucine content helps turn on the body's muscle-building switch, which often slows down as we get older. One randomized study in the Journal of Cachexia, Sarcopenia, and Muscle had seniors take spirulina daily. Within 4 months, their muscle mass and protein synthesis shot up, outperforming groups on whey protein. Dorothy, once unable to pick up her grandkids, got a new lease on life after making the switch. Add spirulina powder to smoothies with fruity flavors, or try capsules if the taste is too strong. Start low, aim for 1 gram, and build slowly to avoid minor digestive upset. Its added bonus: spirulina contains anti-inflammatory omega-6s to speed up recovery after exercise. Black beans take the spotlight for their combination of protein, antioxidants, and resistant starch. With 21 grams of protein per 100 grams cooked, black beans deliver anthocyanins, the purple pigment that provides antioxidant muscle protection. Research published in Journal of Aging Research followed seniors eating black beans daily, showing not just maintained muscle mass, but improved mitochondrial function, the energy center of your muscles. Carlos, once so weak he had to stop cooking, started adding beans to his meals and was soon standing and cooking for hours, steady hands and all. Soak beans to ease digestion and cook with garlic or cumin. Combine beans with rice for a complete, balanced protein. They freeze well in batches, easy for preparing ahead. And finally, the #1 food, tempeh. This ancient, fermented soybean food beats many animal proteins, with 20 grams per 100 grams of highly bioavailable protein. What makes tempeh truly special is how fermentation transforms the protein, delivering unique peptides and natural probiotics. These support better blood flow and better nutrient delivery to the muscles. Tempeh is also rich in vitamin K2 for bone and muscle health, a standout for older adults who want to stay on their feet. A study in the journals of Gerontology showed that eating tempeh 3 times a week led to not just maintained, but increased lean muscle mass, improved strength, and a much lower risk of falls. I still remember Elizabeth, once frail and anxious about losing her independence, who regained her strength and confidence with tempeh, leading not only her neighborhood walks, but even completing a charity race. To prepare tempeh for the best effect, steam it before cooking, marinate with lemon, and add to stir-fries or sandwiches. Even those who don't tolerate soy usually do well with this fermented option. Now, you might be thinking, can just a few simple changes really make such a difference? The answer is yes, but only if you're willing to be consistent. These 9 foods not only outmatch eggs for protein, but each brings something more: probiotics, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants to address the unique challenges that come with aging. What have you tried already? Did you notice a difference? Do you have your own story about switching up your diet and reclaiming your strength? I'd love to hear about it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on living a healthy and vibrant life after 50 bound. And check out this next video on reversing insulin resistance to go even deeper. If you've ever felt tired or struggled with bloating after 50 bound, this channel is for you.